guys, I'm going to show you how to cook this chicken. It's a chicken breast, guys. These are very good meat. As you can see, the meat is fine, so we put it in the dish and clean it so that it should look nice. Then we switch on our stove. Remember to switch on your stove always. As you can see, guys, this is how you do it. Very simple. Very simple. We are closing it for a few minutes. Yeah, we are closing it for a few minutes. Remember, I told you we won't throw this soup, so here we are going to use minestrone soup. Guys, follow this step by step. Step by step. This one is very simple. You see? It's our soup. We're going to use it again. Yeah, you can see. It looks so nice. We are going to apply our soup again inside. This is our minestrone soup. So it will look like this. Let's go. Yeah, you can see it's very simple. It's very simple, guys. Simple way. This is very simple. You can do it by yourself. Yeah, so guys, the results. These are the results, guys. You see,